Jordan Brand is back with a fresh twist on the Air Jordan 1 Mid, inspired by the 2019 Nike SB LA to Chicago project. This release features a true red, white, court purple, and black colorway with a faded finish around the ankle and lower heel, giving a retro worn-in vibe. Purple and gold details on the forefoot pay homage to the iconic Los Angeles Lakers, while the overall design highlights the connection between Los Angeles and Chicago in sports and culture. The sneaker also comes with mismatched insoles and a Nike Dunk-inspired outsole in court purple, blending classic Air Jordan 1 heritage with subtle skate influences. Official photos showcase the premium materials and attention to detail. Fans can expect this Air Jordan 1 Mid to release on Nike.com Jordan by March 2026, making it a must-have for collectors and sneaker enthusiasts looking for a standout addition to their collection.